Everyone, it's Jacob again, showing off another feature of the Ultimate Screenshot tool. So this is another one that's really helpful. So the last one was great for people doing mobile apps, and this one's for people doing more promotional stuff, or if they just want to take a bunch of screenshots of game objects. But this one, I had the idea because I had to get all these images to the asset store, and I thought that was going to be kind of a hassle, and if I ever changed anything, I'd have to kind of start all over getting all the screenshots again. So I created this handy little script, and what it's going to do is it's going to activate each one of these game objects here, which are already uh, laid out how I want them to take the image for the asset store, and then it's going to set the corresponding resolution up and go through and just take the images one by one. And I thought this would be pretty handy, especially if I change the colors or anything, get it all laid out, and then I can just take all the screenshots at once again. So I'll go ahead and do that to demonstrate it. And yep, just went through all those. You can see them in the screenshot folder. Taking just the resolutions I needed, so that's going to be the Facebook image, and then this is the large one for the asset store, and that's the 516 by 389 that you need, and these will be the actual images I use for the asset store. So really convenient. I think it's a pretty great feature. I hope you'll give this asset a try.